Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub, everyone. Today, we're going to draw an adorable little horse. Let's kick things off by drawing his cute little face. Look at that sweet expression. Now, let's give him some sparkly eyes, a fluffy mane, and those adorable ears. Wow, check it out. The horse is actually watching us draw. He's so curious. Next, let's draw his long, graceful neck and strong legs. Time to sketch his body. This little guy is coming together. Can you guess how many legs a horse has? Yep, for strong legs to keep him running fast. Look at that, we're almost done with the outline. But wait, his tail is looking a little like a hand, isn't it? So funny. Let's make this little horse even more awesome by painting him. First, we'll paint his body a soft pink, making him look all cute and friendly. He's super happy now, don't you think? Now he's looking fantastic. Next up, let's add some rich brown color to his mane and tail. He's going to look so fluffy and magical. Do you love horses as much as I do? They're amazing. Finally, we'll add a touch of sparkling blue to his eyes to make them shine like stars. How cute is that? And voila, we're done. Our little horse is looking absolutely awesome. Thanks for drawing with me today. I hope you had fun. See you in the next video. Bye bye.